oko kachire obi afi mami mi say oh how much more nipa na ono enye ni secret no better no ono atumi akuta again nipa na wo kwa kachire no so ono so wadamfo o wadamfo di o wadamfo no ono so gina damfo ni di say ono so oka na hintasem kire na o mani mpie to beti asimasi eka asem bi kire me no se ye na hintasem o me pa che o me srew me giwudi nti na me ka sa asem ye ya kirew enkoka nkire obia emu obia nti me srew me pa wa chew be hu se no ono nso aka kire na damfo ginedi say a secret nti man nka nkire obia then you see say it begins to travel slowly but surely kakra be hu se na nsem no etre eno nti dani de nyina de make na say wo secret a man nya wo secret se wantumi ankuta na ka kire obi na asem ni pia bonten a enkobo nipa no sobo bo wa wo ho sobo because wo na wantumi ankuta ahintasem no wo na wantumi ankata sa ahintasem no so wo na efa wo ho a ehia wo no wo wantumi am protect sa asem no ti wantumi am protect no be den na nipa na wo ka kire ndi odi atumi protect it. So please, I don't pay me catch you say if it is a secret, keep it. If it's a secret, me ba jokuta. Eya hinta semwa manenya odie. E mo biante enkoti ho nkyere obia. Because the moment that ubie wano aka obi no, it becomes a gossip. You are gossiping. Because Proverbs 11:13 say, a gossip betrays a confidence. A gossip betrays a confidence. Nti wankasa e pia free wano aka obi no, you are betraying the confidence that you have in such secret no. O betray no, o ka obi. But a trustworthy person keeps a secret. A trustworthy person keeps a secret. And this is a secret. Keep it. If you trust it, something good only a secret. And no one will be out here. Pachukuta. Maninya wunkwa wasem. Enko bie wanon kanjiro obi. Ropedia me pese me no eche no. Toda bo se obi akopie baabi. Hey, na me nim se asimasi sa no tie. Maka sama kire wo pa maka kire wo se nkanjiro bia na wakoka kire obi. Da bi o na wankasa kra na asem no wantumi ankuta waka kire wo yonko. Wankasa no. First of all, you have to blame yourself because you couldn't keep that secret by yourself. If it is a secret, keep it. If you trust it, say a secret, keep it. Because you are not trustworthy, the one gets away to me and I pay kwa bonti. Ti pay kwa bonti no. What's your comes again? What's your beef again? So if it is a secret, maninkuta. I don't think I'm paying you for say the truth. No kwasem no. Ya na eshe amana say. But I trust them there and antentem. So if it is a secret, let people dig. Let them dig before they know the truth. But if it is not a secret, then manen kwa bonti why? Tano pa idea make catch no. Proverbs 11:13 I may de 2:4. Based on the ameno can say, if it is a secret, keep it. Trust yourself. Say it's a secret, so you are keeping it by yourself. You aren't going to tell anyone. Pachawati. A secret kuta. Because any pan watching uncle wouldn't know kwanya sama jala. Ha ha. Okra nano kra me no say oh no atoto. Wa mana pia kwa bontin tentem kra. Wa ma manfo atentem kra. And we tell no pay them person what you say there. Say oh bibia a friend is secret wo gidi say a secret a ya hinta sama kuta nka nchiro bia obi antumi nkita o secret mfama wo emu obi ante wo nko awasem mani nkuta wo se kuta wo dia obi ante obi anso ante a enkoye huhu ba bia because the moment I want to me ankuta now ko ka kire obi no you've betrayed yourself. You've betrayed that secret. And on Proverbs 11:13 ekano. A gossip betrays a confidence. Tonight is a one casano. Where a gossiper? One no you can. Just a wound to me good asem. And I just one no. I hold to do. No, I coca. Two coca and a secret beam. Or say, but a trustworthy person keeps a secret. A trustworthy person. So first of all, trust yourself. If you trust yourself, you can keep that secret. But if you don't trust yourself, it means you are not trustworthy. Thank you very much. Good morning. And I don't have any eche a worker safety. So my uncle for good year months tip off and free a sports for no your bar. There come be an affair there twaso at your mouth a video man. Come on, doors one pay papa. And trust me, because I said doors, so you know what I'm talking about. Yakoba, your baby dinning in combo. Nafi, you said, yeah, a see a tear or a year honum. On that note, I mean, you're moving from
and Central for